Let's come to the ninth question here. Can you all see the circle? Yes. What is this? This is a sector, right? P, A, B, C. That is, they have given that. What does this mean? I have already taught you. Area of a, this type is what? Sector. Area of a sector. Which sector? That is P, A, B, C. Minor sector 154 centimeter is given. Right? And radius of a circle is 14 centimeter. That is, this is also a radius and this is also a radius. So that is 14 centimeter is given. Now, so here what we have to find it, that is angle APC. That is, they are asking what is this, and one more, length of the arc ABC. What is this also they have asked here, right? So we can find this length of the arc, that is what? Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, so we want the theta for finding this, that is an angle. So first we have to find this angle, right? With the, how we will find it? Because we can find it because the area of a sector is given. Let's start with the area of a sector. What is the area of a sector formula? Area of a sector, what is that name? PABC, that is PABC, that is what? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. So theta is what? We don't know. So I write it theta upon 360 degree into pi. Is it given anything values? No. So we will take it as a 22 upon 7 r square. R is what we have written here, 14 centimeter. That is 14 into 14. But area of a sector is given value here 154. Can I write the value below this? Yes. Now what we will do? We will keep a theta here. And this, whatever the cancellation is possible, we will do it here right now. 7 2s are 14, right? And 2 1s are 2, 2 180 times 360 degree. Okay, and 2 11s are 22, 2 90s are, again 2 table it goes, 2 7s are 14 and 2 45. So what all there here? 7 is here. I'll write it here for you again. 7 upon, yes. Now what all we have after cancellation? 7 into 11, right? And upon 45. Now what I'm taking, 155 in 154 into 45, and here 7 into 11. Okay, so what I can do, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. So how much I get? 45 into 2 is 90 degree. So did I get a 90 degree? Is what? Here, that is angle P. Angle APC is 90 degree. Can we find the length of the arc? Yes. What is the length of the arc formula? Can you all recollect? Length of the arc ABC equal to theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. That is based on circumference. Theta we got it as a 90, right? We have got a theta as a 90. So we will write it 90 here. 90 upon 360 degree into 2 into 22 upon 7, and r is given as a 14. So we can write it. Then you can solve this sum by cancellations. If you want, I'll show you. 90 1s are 90, 9 4s are 36, so 4. 7 2s are 14. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So how much we got? 22 centimeter. So what is the length of the arc ABC? That is 22 centimeter. And what is the angle? That is 90 degree. Let's read the question here. The area of a minor sector of a circle. Okay, minor sector means also a sector only, is 3.85 square centimeter, and measure of its central angle is 36 degree. Find the radius. We should know here what is this given here. Area of a sector is what? 3.85 square centimeter, and measure of the central angle is what? Nothing but the theta we say. Is it or not? Yes. So 36 degrees. So find the radius. So here area of a sector is given. We will then use the area of a sector formula. What is the area of a sector formula? Can you recollect? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. So we know area of a sector 3.85. Theta we know 36 degree upon 360 degree into pi. We will take 22 upon 7 into r square. Then you can substitute the values and you can find that. See the 12th question here. You have been given the figure here. Yes. So here PQRS is a rectangle. Can you all see? Yes, it is a rectangle, and PQ is 14 centimeter. Okay. We consider PQ as a 14 centimeter and QR as a 21 centimeter. That means what? It is length and the breadth is given here. Right. So after that they have asked to find out X, Y and Z figure here. Right here. If you observe the X figure, how it seems to be? See, I have taken a small, similar figure like this here on this clay. So, I just can remove it. For that purpose I have. This is also a rectangle. Can you all see? The three parts you can see here also. This is X and this is Y. So, I have made a similar rectangular figure here also. You can see this X, Y and Z. If I just take a X part from this piece, how it seems to be here, how it looks here. This is a sector, can I say or not? Yes, why I can say a sector? Because I have a 2 radii here and the length of the arc. So this is a sector. So the X, what we have to find is nothing but the area of a sector. We have to, this area of a sector, right? Let's go for the next figure which is there. Again I can, if I take it from here, what it seems to be again, this is a what? Radius. This is also a radius and this is a what here? Arc. So this is also a what? Sector, small sector here. Okay. But this piece, if I take it, I don't remember any of the figure here, like a sector or a length of the arc, anything I could remember. What could be here? What formula I can apply? So because this is not a proper regular figure here, to apply a formula. So for that, what I can do, see, for example, I'll just rejoin it again. Okay, when I'm rejoining here, what you can observe, this is a rectangle. Yes, what I'll do, first I'll find the area of a rectangle. Can I find the area of a rectangle? Yes, because I have a length as well as a breadth value here. So I'll find the area of a rectangle. So you will find first one, you are going to find it out. I'm just going to give a hint. You will first find the area of a rectangle formula, that is length into breadth. Once you will multiply 14 into 21, you will get the area of a rectangle. Then next second point, you will find the area of a sector. Which sector? This X part, sector X here. Okay, so what is the formula? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. What is the r here? Can you all see it? What is the r would be here? This is the radius, not 14. Yes. So 14 centimeter. In the place of r, you will use here r as a 14 centimeter. Right? Now let's come for the smallest. Yes. Now we can find the y part. Y is also a sector we have said. But what is the radius for this part here? This much is how much? 14. Yes, because you remember this is a radius. See, you can see this figure. This is also radius and this is also radius. So that means till here it is 14. Yeah, till here it is 14. And but what is QR given? QR is how much given? QR is 21 centimeter given. And we know, we will name it something M here. QM is 14. So how much is MR? MR will be 21 minus 14, that is 7 centimeter. So you got this radius as a what? 7 centimeter. So for finding the Y part, that is area of a sector Y part, we will use the same formula, theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta, what is theta here? Yes, rectangle, what is a theta? Each angle is 90 degree in a rectangle. So this is a 90. So we will use a 90 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7. R is what? Just now we have found that the radius is how much dear? 7 centimeter. So here you will write 7 into 7 here. So radius is what? 7 centimeter. Now you can find the area of a sector Y. Yes, but we can find a sector X. This part, sector Y, we can find it. But how we will find the this part, this Z. Z part, how we will find the Z here? You can see this is a rectangle, the whole is a rectangle. If I subtract, see, I repeat, this figure we want to find out. I'll tell you, I'll show you very clearly here. Okay dear, this is the, yes, now this is the whole rectangle. You can see, you know the what is, if it's, imagine this is 100, ये पूरा 100 है सोच लो. You are removing this sector, आपने ये sector यहाँ find out किया, उसको minus करो. एंड ये भी जो माइनस करने के बाद जो मिला है उसको भी माइनस करो. बचा क्या मिलेगा हमें? ये पार्ट मिल जाएगा कि नहीं? येस. सो वी विल फाइंड फर्स्ट एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल, देन माइनस एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर एक्स minus sector area of a sector y. You will get this z part. Okay, clear? Very clear everyone? So that's the reason I shown with this clay part, which you makes it very clear. I repeat again, area when we want to find the z part जब भी फाइंड आउट करना है, क्या करना है? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल माइनस विच पार्ट? एक्स पार्ट एंड माइनस वाई पार्ट. Okay, that is what this is, area of a sector x. You understand, area of a sector x, area of a sector y. Then you will get this z part. Is it or not? minus this, you will get this z part.